Right. I'm going to let go.
Yeah, someone go up there.
Yell out if you need it.
Right down there, Mark?
No, don't do anything. Help up the ladder. Not up on the other side. Hold up there, Steve.
Do you want to have a rest? There's the phone. There's the phone underneath it. Yeah.
With this one.
If you want to put it there, just no, just put it there.
Maybe right
Here,
there.
here. So, Mark, are you right there then?
Yeah, right.
All right.
Who wants it?
I'll do that.
So you're on the out, you're staying down.
Will you come down this one, Mark?
Right.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm not anywhere near it. You tell me when to go in.
All right, now we're preparing the front panel. Are you going to do the glue there, are you?
Yeah, Matt's just got to race around and do one bead down on the rebate.
Yep, I've cleaned that with
And that's where we just lift it in and put the clamps on this. And,
yep,
sorry.
that's right. So Matt's just doing the rebate there.
Yeah.
Just a little added extra.
We're on the other side.
The other side.
Put the glue in.
Put the glue, right?
Yep. Take this sucker off here. Hang on. You right?
I'm just in the tray a bit.
Probably need a bit of a guide over here.
Right, cover. You need to get help on the other
This
side.
side.
There's nothing on the other side.
So you guys are going to go down? Yeah.
We won't go in until you tell us to go.
No, well, I reckon if you just get your height right.
Yeah, that's it. Just slide it to me.
We're on
Yours
the,
on the thing.
we're on the wood, yep.
We're on the wood.
That's it.
Now I might just have to let go of this clamp as I rotate in there, Mark. Can you sight that?
Is that right?
It's
Is it?
hanging over the edge a bit over here.
It has to.
Okay.
bit.
Yep.
Fair
This
bit.
other one comes in and goes into that.
Alright,
So I
okay.
wouldn't push any harder because we're pushing on that rebate. But I think I've got to let this clamp go.
Yeah.
but-
That's the glue. That's the glue.
Ready? We're going up. Tell us when. Yeah.
Can you push that this way?
Yeah.
Can you get a little bit more? How's the rebate in line with the...
Needs to go a bit more.
It's hard up here.
Yeah, I can't do that yet.
Yeah, right. You go up top, right? I'll do this. Wait a minute. Get them up there.
That is a bit of wind. Just wait a sec.
Up the other side. Can we have that sucker?
Oh yeah.
So,
There you go.
When you put that edge on there first, get it with the garage edge on first. Sit there, a little bit right from leak there. I probably could do with something looks like that. I've got the weight. Where do I know? No, that's in. That's in. Yeah, I wonder what Ray's length's like. Probably. It's a little bit short. Yeah, that's all right. Doesn't matter if it's short. Oh, that way. Yeah, it's got to be up, doesn't it?
Oh no, the other rebate comes.
Now, just putting the last panel on, getting the glue on. The glue gun ends had a blowout. The last back panel.
Right, relax on the ladder there.
Yep.
So, hey, you got one. Do you want me to kind of pass down so I can hold it from this side? There's nothing to hold this.
Do you need a step ladder?
You like this wide, Ray?
Down, Mark, or
Yeah. So down here, does it?
need to go down?
Right.
Now the consensus is we put clamp up the top, clamp on the side, and just wedging it down there because we can't get a clamp in behind the bull bar.